Now, omission of the relative pronoun. Situations where we are not supposed to use a relative pronoun. The relative pronoun is generally omitted when it would be in the accusative case. Accusative case के लिए relative pronoun का यूज़ नहीं किया जाता है generally. For example, few and short were the prayers we said. अब यहाँ पर relative pronoun को यूज़ करने की requirement नहीं है. Few and short were the prayers we said. Men must reap the things they sow. Accusative case के लिए, objective case के लिए relative pronoun का यूज़ generally नहीं किया जाता. In the following examples from poetry, a relative pronoun in the nominative case is omitted. This distance lends enchantment to the view. I have a brother is condemned to die. But it is suitable in poetry only. Omission of the antecedent. Sometimes the antecedent of a relative pronoun was left out, as who works not shall not eat. Who works not shall not eat. This means he who works not shall not eat. तो इन sentences में antecedent को लेफ्ट आउट कर दिया गया है, जो कि बाद में एलेबोरेट किया गया है. यू कैन सी इन दिस एग्जाम्पल व्हेन वी से हु वर्क्स नॉट शैल नॉट ईट. दिस मीन्स ही हु वर्क्स नॉट, यानी वो जो काम नहीं करता है उसे खाना भी नहीं चाहिए. whom the gods love die young. This means those whom the gods love die young. Agreement of the relative pronoun and its antecedent. When the subject of a verb is a relative pronoun, care should be taken to see that the verb agrees in number and person. ये word antecedent जो बार बार आ रहा है, इसका मीनिंग है वो पार्ट जो कि सब्जेक्ट को एलेबोरेट करता है, सब्जेक्ट को डिफाइन करता है. ये टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ हैं जो कि ऑलरेडी नॉन होनी चाहिए एक लर्नर के लिए. This is one of the most interesting novels that have not has appeared this year. He is one of the cleverest boys that have passed through the school. Not to be confused with has. One of the greatest judges that have ever lived laid this down as law. Because the rule is when the subject of a verb is a relative pronoun. जब किसी सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ वर्ब, किसी वर्ब का सब्जेक्ट रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन हो, care should be taken to see that the verb agrees in number and person with the antecedent of the relative pronoun. यानी verb relative pronoun के अकॉर्डिंग ही यूज़ की जाएगी. Because इस सेंटेंस में we are talking about novels, so we have used has. Number 4, it was one of the best speeches that have ever been made in the House of Commons. यहाँ पर भी have यूज़ किया गया because we are talking about speeches. We are talking about speeches. This is the only one of his poems that is, not are, worth reading. This is the only one of his poems that is worth reading. Here the antecedent of that is one. That का antecedent वन है, इसलिए यहाँ पर इज़ यूज़ किया गया है, न कि आर। Here is the antecedent of that is one. Of his poems is this is the only one that is worth reading. Position of the relative pronoun. To prevent ambiguity, the relative pronoun should be placed as near as possible to its antecedent, as the boy who won the first prize in English is the son of my friend Mr. Joshi. It would mean something quite different if we separate the relative pronoun from its antecedent and say the boy is the son of my friend Mr. Joshi who won the first prize. तो हमें सेंटेंस में रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन की पोजीशन को भी मेंटेन रखना है कि उसकी सूटेबल पोजीशन पर ही उसे यूज़ किया जाए। और पोजीशन ये है, द रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन शुड बी प्लेस्ड एज नियर एज पॉसिबल टू इट्स एंटीसीडेंट। वो अपने एंटीसीडेंट के जितना नज़दीक हो सके या जितना साथ में हो सके यूज़ किया जाए। अगेन such a sentence as I have read Gokhale's speeches, who was a disciple of Ranade, would be improved if changed into I have read the speeches of Gokhale, who was a disciple of Ranade. So also the following sentence requires to be rearranged. I with my family reside in a village near Pune which consists of my wife and 3 children. इसकी बजाय हमें पोजीशन को चेंज करते हुए सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करना होगा। Pronouns of the third person plural should not be used as antecedents to who and that. For example, they that are whole have no need to a physician. They that are whole have no need of a physician. Here those is to be preferred to they. So these were the position of relative pronoun and exercise we have done in the assignments. फिर भी हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। नंबर 1, what is the name of the man whose car you borrowed? यहाँ पर हमें पोजीशन शो करना है, इसलिए whose यूज़ किया जाएगा। A pacifist is a person who believes, nominative case, who believes that all wars are wrong. The place where, because we are talking about a place, the place where we spent the holidays was very beautiful. Number 4, I don't know the name of the woman to whom I spoke on the phone. Because accusative case, objective case. Ron and Jessica, who had got married last year, recently bought a new house. Their new house, which they bought, was quite cheap, because we are talking about things. So it was the chapter of pronouns.